The way their eyes couldn't disconnect. LingOrm really bad at hiding their excitement and happiness, cause their feelings for each other is so obvious. That is one of LingOrm love language. That is the kind of love everyone dreaming about. That is so LingOrm coded ever. Now let's go to main part where Ling share about her love and what kind of person she will fall for.
Not yet.
Okay.
That's
have
not a
that-
picture in my
Yeah,
mind.
never pictured that.
Yeah, but I think it might many girls want to wear a beautiful dress on their wedding,
Okay.
but some might not
Okay.
because I think many things change nowadays.
Okay.
First of all, Ling speaking English is so cute. And second of all, she just said she have never pictured herself in a wedding dress, but instead maybe a suit. Ling just low-key confirmed that she might marry a woman, not a man.
A person
Yeah.
that's really kind make me feel I want to go home after I work.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to hug. That is a comfort zone for me. Yeah, someone I can lean on. Someone really understands me.
Ling is so honest with her love for someone that can't wait to see who that lucky girl is. Ling girlfriend standard is so high and only one person can fit it. LingOrm can make a perfect match for each other.
จริงๆความรักมันง่ายมากแค่เป็น คนที่ทำให้เราสบายใจคนที่เป็นเซฟโซนของเราดูแลกันและกันได้แค่นี้มันก็สามารถเป็นความรักได้แล้วการสื่อสารภาษากันก็หวังว่าทุกคนจะมีความรักในรูปแบบของตัวเองนะคะ
And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
หลิงรู้สึกว่าเป็นไปได้ไหมที่เป็นคู่จริงหรือว่าคือตอนเนี้ยหลิงที่หลิงอยู่กับออมมันด้วยอยู่กับด้วยความสบายใจความเป็นเซฟโซนซึ่งนี่ก็เป็นความรักอีกแบบหนึ่งในความสำหรับหนูนะคะหนูก็สบายใจที่จะอยู่กับเขาก็ต้องสบายใจที่อยู่กับเรา
LingOrm just confessed that they can be a real couple one day, even though they are not yet on today.
I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you, I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again.
Ling has also been hinting about it since, and it has been many times now.
คืออย่างที่เจคที่เคยพูดเลยว่าแบบจริงๆมันแค่เป็นเซฟโซนอยู่กับเขาสบายใจเขาดูแลเราได้เราดูแลเขาได้แต่ผู้หญิงจะชอบอีกต่อผู้หญิงเขาแบบเหมือนผู้หญิงจะเข้าใจผู้หญิงได้มากดี
Ling just represents girl-to-girl love how women can understand each other better when it comes to something.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 is something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.